There's a thunderstorm trying to develop. Who knows? Could this produce the elusive tornado that we're waiting for this area to see the spot? Who knows? I wanted to say. Who knows? Okay. Wind first coming in. Classic structure trying to develop right there. I think there's a... Still developing. There's no thunder yet, but there was rotation right there. The wall cloud going over the fucking storm. I don't know. Who knows? That's wall cloud, I think. That could be a developing wall cloud right over this area. But today was gonna be a bust, but we had some weak development developing, right? Weak showers. It's the wall cloud right there. It continued barely any rotation, but there's reports of there was minor funnel clouds reported earlier with this storm. Look at that beautiful storm structure right there. That is beautiful right there. Look at that. That's the sunlight going through the clouds. Perfect right there. Oh fuck. There will be some supercell development. I think when the storm's over that way, I think there could be some pretty big. There could be tornado development because the storm has weak rotation in certain parts of the storm developing already. No thunder, but there's some rain coming down right now. Damn dog is. There's a damn dog. But there it goes. There's the area concern right there. A wall cloud produced multiple vortex tornadoes near a brief vortex area. Funnel clouds shortly. Storm continues off to the east. Right there. Yep. First possible intercept, but we didn't see the funnel cloud. We actually all see one, but actually touched down on us in the field. Bus day, but yep.
Yeah. The eve of the Hawking meeting.
Lowered cloud right there. Possible formation developing towards. Yeah. Storm chase 1. Wall cloud developing right.
Right there.
I'm looking at right now. Weak wall cloud developing near. Barely any rotation. Probably a lower cloud, but who knows?
It was better rotation earlier, but no, not really. It's breaking.
Boundary was right over a boundary a little bit earlier. Means like a couple minutes ago.
We officially have some breakage right now.
Will there be a funnel developing? A high base funnel cloud may develop and touch down to the river. Who knows?
Sprout. Yeah, sprout.
Spout.
Sprout.
Water spout.
My bad.
Small funnel cloud developing.
More likely nothing's gonna happen. But
Can't see it barely, but there's a funnel cloud on the southwest end of it.
it's the perfect tornado condition.
Look at that. It's one big supercell developing right there.
You think we'll what? Get anything?
We had just a small funnel cloud right there.
Think we'll get anything out of this?
Doubt it, but look at it. More sunshine coming from behind it.
So is that good?
Could support more storms developing. Classic supercell right there.
We better do the Rocky now. Comes back.
Felt like a cold front came through.
Yeah, looks like cooling out.
There's that wall cloud right there. Same storm produced the funnel clouds near this area. There's a new storm right there, and
I thought you did tell me a caller died.
there's something I don't know. And there's a cold front right there. It was perfect. Classic supercell right over Pennsylvania.
We're just sitting on somebody's bench.
Yeah, tracking the storm. Look, that view's perfect on here. Wall cloud.
It's clearing out down that way.
It's wall cloud. Look, wall cloud.
See?
Right there in front of your face.
It's clearing out down that way towards your house. Storm's out there now.
It's a wall cloud right there.
What would you do if a tornado happened? Would you shit?
We saw a funnel cloud right here, touching down.
Would you shit?
Yeah, it'll be amazing actually. I saw it before happen around here.
I've only seen one tornado in person.
There's top of the Supercell developing. Classic footage. Looks like this is the first Supercell footage for Pennsylvania. That's when people are gonna say like, what the fuck? Here's the same storm about 30 minutes after we got the first footage.
Does he hate that?
Probably. Look at this storm
I think this is an oil well. You may have seen a ghost, that girl.
maybe.
Came and disappeared.
We didn't get that at all.
What?
That'd been crazy if we got the ghost one footage. Got
DK! 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 Ah!
Here's the Supercell developing, continues to develop. We saw development started right over there, went the whole way out here, and it's classic system right now.
Let's do the DK shoot now.
No, not yet. Back in the storm, tornado would be right down there. It's supposed to be a tornado developing. Who knows?